Hello everyone, this is Arvind from Admission List. So today we are going to discuss about SRM Chennai KTR campus. So in 3 or 4 minutes we are going to discuss everything. So if you are watching this video, keep watching till last and I promise you that आपका कोई भी query नहीं बचेगा. You don't need to watch any other video if you are watching this in full, okay? So let's move ahead. So what we are going to discuss in this video is all these things, okay? All these things, yes, let's move forward. So what about SRM that is established in 1985? Very, very old institution, okay? One of the best and old institution from South India, basically. Private, NAC, A++. The 250 plus acre campus gives students a better life, better campus life. They can get everything inside the campus from swimming pool to cricket ground, football, mess, stationery, hostel, everything, okay? About connectivity, so yes, Chennai is a metro city. So yes, international airport is around 25 to 30 kilometers away from the campus. The railway station is around 2 kilometers. That is a local railway station. And the main railway station is around 40 kilometers away. Since this is a metro city, so you can get easily the city buses, metros, cabs, and whatever you want. So there will be no issue of the connectivity anymore, okay? What will be the eligibility? So first you need to get at least 60% if we get in class 12. What does this mean? So your marks in PCM should be 60, 60, 60 minimum. Okay, so 180 marks if you are having, then you are eligible for the admission. What the board they are accepting? So CBSE, ICSE, state boards and international boards. Age limit is 17 years for the BTech program. What entrance exam they are accepting? So yes, they are accepting JEE Main as well, but yes, I would like to request you to go for SRM JEE because this is exam accepted over there. I can't say anything about the JEE Main score, okay? What the program they are offering and the fees? So they are offering computer science engineering, okay, CSE, the specialization is AI and ML, CSE specialization is DS, then electronics and communication, electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical civil, biotech and robotics. So yes, the fees is around 4,75,000 for mainstream and the CS specialization. Then the West specialization fees is around 3.7 for electronics and communication, and you can see the fees by pausing the video, okay? What about the SRM JEE exam? So yes, the exam is conducted by the university itself, okay? So the exam duration is around 2 hours 30 minutes. There will be multiple choice questions, total 125 questions and 125 marks. So there will be no negative marking, okay? So you can just do, आपको तुक्का भी लगाना, you can easily do this, okay? Now, what will be the syllabus? So there will be physics 35 questions, mathematics 40 questions, chemistry 35 questions, English 5 and aptitude 10. So there will be 125 questions by combining all these subjects, okay? What would be the tentative syllabus? So yes, you can pause the video and take a look on the syllabus. So this syllabus we have got from other websites, so I believe that you will also verify this from your end, okay? Let's talk about the kind of marks, guys. So yes, if you are going for the computer science engineering, so I don't want to look at over here. I want you to ignore the score of JEE Main. You go for the SRM JEE, okay? Because I believe if you are getting 96, 98 percentile, then I don't think if you are looking at admission in SRM or not, okay? But yes, if you are going for SRM JEE, if you are getting rank of 5,000 to 10,000, you are easily getting the CSE, okay? And the similar rank I put over here. I also would like to request you to please verify from your end, okay? Rest you can see by pausing the video. Is there any scholarship they are providing to? Yes, they are providing a scholarship as per your rank in SRM JEE. So yes, you can look it over here, and also you can go to the disclaimer. Well, admission process. So first you need to fill up a form. After the form, you have to go for the online test. After test, you will be ranked based on your score. After ranking, you can go in the counseling. Means you have to choose a branch. If you are allotted the branch, you can come to the campus, or also online you can pay the tuition fees, and you can verify your document as soon as you go to the campus visit, okay? So what will be the mode of selection? First will be the rank, and if the seat is available, you'll go for the counseling. Counseling means you have to choose the preference that which specialization you are. After choosing, you'll get admission, okay? What are the placements? So yes, highest placement is around 52 LPA. Average is 7 to 8 lakh rupees, means it is I would not say ki bahut acha hai because the fees is around 17 lakh rupees for the CS, and you are getting actually half of the fees you have paid for in the first year, okay? So I believe if you are going SRM, yes, think about everything before you take admission, okay? The details of the placement are mentioned over here. You can pause the video and watch it carefully. So the hostel and mess. So yes, the hostels are available. The campus is huge, so the fees would be around 1,70,000 to 2,70,000 based on the rooms, facility, and food you choose, okay? Rest details you can see over here by pausing the video. Is there any direct admission available? Yes, there is availability of the direct admission. So what you have to do is you have to just call the number given on the screen. You can also communicate with us with the email ID. So yes, if you are direct admission anywhere in Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, India, in any good college, you can call us and we'll help you. Thank you guys for watching this video and a good time. Goodbye. Take care.